Hey guys, I've been trying to make videos for the my channel, and whoops, hopefully you guys can see me. Whoops. Okay, trying to fix the exposure because my room is super pink and sometimes it throws off the exposure, but I wanted to make a video of my outfit before I go to work because I'm waiting for my work partner to my lens is kind of dirty, sorry. Waiting for them to come, but I want to show you guys my outfit because I had a message a few days ago or a few weeks ago or something that someone misses my outfit video, so let's do it. I'm wearing this dress. It's a square dance dress. It's pretty long. I'm wearing it with these shoes from Doll's Kill with some ruffled socks, and as far as the top part is concerned, I'm gonna try and prop you guys up a little higher so you can see the outfit. Like the top of it. Sorry this wasn't really planned, but this is the top of the dress. It's a square dance dress and I think it's really pretty. Has a tie in the back, which is really cute. I'm not really wearing any jewelry today. Whoops, I'm back up. I'm not really wearing any jewelry today, and I don't know why my voice is sounding kind of stupid. I don't have a sore throat or anything, but I don't know. But yeah, I thought this outfit was cute. I got this dress from eBay for my birthday last year. My mommy got it for me, and I'm also wearing this necklace my dad got for me. It's one of my favorite necklaces. I would wear my butterfly pearl because I usually wear that, but that one's kind of broken and my mom has to fix it for me. I just love pearls, but yeah, let's show you guys my outfit because I hardly make videos anymore and I hate it. So I'm trying to get myself back into making videos within the next 2 weeks. So when I film my honeymoon, it won't be like super awkward or anything. I'm gonna try and come up with like some really cool ideas for videos, but I always struggled with that, kind of leaning over. Plus I don't have a tripod anymore. I threw it away because they're so stupid, they break so easily and I feel like they're pointless. But yeah guys, I excuse that painting if it disturbs you, I'm sorry. Yeah, I just wanted to peek in and show you guys my outfit, and I might do a hair tutorial on these buns because they're super easy. And I used to struggle with making space buns all the time, but I found a new method that works pretty well. I thought I'd film it. That's it, I guess. I hope you guys have a good day. I know my videos are pretty short too. I just don't, it's kind of hard to film long videos because I just don't like editing videos, so I don't record long videos. So yeah guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Let's see if we can do this again. I'm overexposed. Okay. I know this looks stupid because I'm wearing like white on white on white, but I'm just trying to film a video. I'm home alone. Well, not really, because my my third oldest brother is home with me. But I'm going to be doing laundry today. I've been working literally like I've been working a lot lately, more than what I normally do. So I am going to be doing laundry, like finishing up some laundry and changing out my bed sheets and everything. And I thought that I would film it, trying to get back into like the swing of making videos, and I'm trying to film on my camera so that the quality is a little bit better. So again, it's probably gonna be another boring video because I'm just doing laundry and waiting for my mom and dad to come home because they come home at 3 o'clock-ish and it's 12:30 because they're like a few hours away because they were visiting my second oldest brother. Sorry, this is choking me. But yeah guys, let's clean my room. Hopefully my camera doesn't die or that I don't run out of memory. But I'm just kind of watching Judge Judy, but then I just realized that my laptop is literally gonna die. Like, can you see? Like, will it focus? Will it focus? Will it focus? Well, it's not gonna focus, but I'm gonna close that anyway because my computer's on 7%, and then I'm gonna make my bed. I don't have to wash my blankets, but I'm like changing out like the pillowcases and the sheets, because I have, show you guys really quick. I have these sheets on my bed, and I know this looks white, but this is actually really, really light pink. Almost as pink as my bedroom walls. So to give you an idea, but I want to change these out to something more like these. And this is actually my sheets. They were actually pink like this, but I bleached my stuff a lot, so the color faded. And I'm just trying to switch it out to make it look a little bit more pretty. Uh-oh. I hate trying to figure out like how this thing works, but yeah, let's do that. Trying to prop you guys somewhere where you can kind of see everything. So I propped you on my fiance's desk. But anyway, I'm just gonna move my clothes out of the way first. Move these. I wash these, and these are my dresses, like some of my everyday dresses, and I normally let them air dry, but one of my brothers were doing their laundry, and they stuck my dresses in the dryer, and one of them literally shrank, which is kind of sad because it was a vintage dress, but you know how that goes. Can't have those dresses forever, so you should always cherish when you do have them. So I guess I should take these off. By the way, these are fabric sheets. I like to put them in pillows because it makes the pillows smell like so good. I've been tricking my dad and putting fabric sheets in his pillow because my dad always says that he has like allergies and that I can't do it. But I just found out like a few months ago, or maybe even a year ago, I was like, joke's on you, I've been doing it this whole time and you haven't been sneezing. So I thought that was funny. So first thing I do is I'm changing the pillows. I'm going to put the fabric sheets in there, but I'm also going to show you guys a little trick if you want your stuff to be like extra fresh, but you don't want to use Febreze or fabric sheets. But I will be tucking fabric sheets in, and then get yourself some baby powder and take the baby powder and sprinkle it inside the pillow. My mom told me about when she first met my dad, he would sprinkle his bed, like in between his bed, his mattress, and his sheets and pillows with baby powder, and I thought that was such a really good idea. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I think I'll use this pillow case because it's really pretty. This one's going to be a little difficult to put baby powder in because it has an open back, but I'm just going to put it in there first and then take my fiance's pillow and put that in there. We need to get a new pillow because you know when like you wash your pillows in the washing machine, they kind of like destroy your pillow. Unfortunately, that kind of happened to his pillow. So I'm just kind of doing one of those numbers, and I'm also going to do the same thing to my pillow. Since this matches his pillow, I'm not gonna take out the switch my pillowcases because I don't even sleep on this pillow. It's more for decoration because I sleep on, I'll show you guys, fluff fluff fluff. I sleep on a satin pillowcase, just a satin pillowcase, but I will be washing this satin pillowcase, even though it's not that dirty, but probably will wash it anyway. So next, which means I can put this away, and I'm gonna shove this random fabric sheet on this like decorative pillow that I usually put on my bed. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and follow my doll Instagram account because I actually make dolls and I think a lot of people have been liking them, so you guys should go give it a look. You might like something too. Blanket comes off. Fabric sheet discovered. That needs to be shoved somewhere. I think that's my mommy texting me. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm gonna go check that really quickly because it also could be my aunt who. Just like that, my camera's dead, but the bed is made. Yay! Me making my bed. My Shein order came in for my honeymoon night, so that's kind of cool. So kind of excited about that. I started off vlogging today, and then I like ended up not vlogging because my camera died, and well, my camera didn't die, but the battery was full. But I just helped my mommy cook dinner, and my fiance's home. I have to run downstairs and talk to my aunt. It's so weird calling her my aunt because she's like younger than me, but we work together now, which is really cool. So I'm gonna run downstairs and talk about her day real quick. But I don't know. My room is like finally starting to look cool, but it could be better. Don't look at my double chin. And I know I wore this onesie before, but I like it because it has wings and it's a unicorn onesie. So, yeah. Waiting for Big Daddy and my dad to finish up talking. I call him Big Daddy to be funny, guys. And I'm reading this book too, which is good. It's really good, but yeah, let's fast forward to after I take a shower. Hey guys, it's like a few days later, and I forgot to film an outro for this video because my camera died, or my camera didn't die, my camera card got full while I was recording. So I was just gonna show you guys an updated sketchbook tour. You may have already seen these, but just to kind of refresh your mind on how I've been drawing. Like I said, this one's one of my favorites. I'm not sure if you guys seen these ones, but this is so cute. I really like this one too. I don't really care for the mountains in the background, but I like everything else. Trying to get better at drawing and trying different things. I thought this one was cute. Got the little... That's so cute. This one's also one of my faves. Oh, if I use the same song in all my videos, I am so sorry, but I love the One Era Leave It song. It's just so amazing. I'm sad that she doesn't make any music or doesn't have any social media or anything really. But I love that song. That's why I have it in my videos. But there's this one, and she's actually a vampire. You can't tell, but she's actually a vampire in her coffin. I really like this one. I can't wait till my hair is that long. But anyway, this was supposed to be because I'm getting married, so this is a representation. That's my mommy, because my mom's she loves birds, and she's like the little birdie. You know, like when someone said little birdie told me, so I just made my mom a little bird, like let her telling me stuff, like, you know. I just love it. And I actually do love the mountains in this one. I like the little purpley colors. I really like this one. I wished my wedding dress looked like this, but I really, really like my wedding dress because long dresses make me look even shorter. I'm 5'4", so when I wear longer dresses, I look even shorter, and I'd like to think I have nice legs. If there's anything that I like about myself, besides the fact that I have my dad's eyes, it's like I do like my legs because I have big calf muscles. Anyway, I love long dresses, but they make me look extra short. So that's why, if you guys are wondering, that's why all my dresses are literally short, A-line, circle skirt type of dresses, because I like to show off my legs. Plus, I'm short, so I need stuff that's gonna make me look a little taller. So yeah. There's this one. This one's kind of inspired by Franbo, but I really like it. I like the background. And there's this one. I really love this one. That's a picture of my mom and dad. And that's a picture of this picture. So, it's actually a picture of this one. Where is it? Where is it? Kind of, see? It's kind of the same concept, but in less detail. But anyway, and that little birdie again is my mommy. I really love this one. This one's a really good one. Don't know why I put a cross on the wall, but yeah, I really like this one. This one's a really good one. And it kind of really looks like my room. I know my room's a mess, but it literally kind of looks like my room. And I like this one. I like the little bear. He's cute. He's helping her pick flowers. The last flowers of the season, guys. And I really like the way I did these trees. I love this one. I didn't finish this one, but I'm gonna have to go back and finish it. And this is what I did for me and my mommy. That's my mommy. That's me when I was a baby. Going into the world, into the wilderness, carrying me through. I love my mom. Love my dad too. And that's my mom and dad dancing. I don't think I have anything after this, but yeah, it's my mom and dad dancing. Her little bird mask. Now, before you think that my dad is a fox, no. My dad, his spirit animal is a squirrel, because squirrels are all over the place. They start stuff and then they get tired or they forget and don't finish it and then start something else. And they're always eating and storing food and super active but super alert. That's my dad. My dad is a squirrel. And he was like, why did you have to draw my belly big? It was so funny, but I'm like, yeah, Daddy, you gotta, that's your belly. And I'm gonna put it in the artwork. And my mom loves wearing basic white t-shirts with ripped jeans. So, yep. I thought I'd make a drawing of them. The reason why the background is white and kind like, if you guys think it's boring, and it's because my mom loves like crisp, my mom and dad like crisp white decorations and like white walls or gray walls and stuff. It's like very simple, not simple, but kind of like a clean cut, if you will. So that's why I did their walls white. Plus that's literally like their room's a little bit, like their room is way more fashionable than what I put in this picture. But the gray background would have collided with, in my opinion, with the tan floor. So, yep. But that's it, guys. I haven't drawn anything else. I have to finish this one before I get started on the next one, because I don't like to leave blank pages in my sketchbook. I like to draw until it's completed before I move on. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm probably gonna upload some videos of like when I was looking at wedding venues and stuff, but we decided not to go that route. But I might still upload those footage just to say that it's up there so you guys can see. And also, I'm going to record you guys like my wedding haul, so I'll probably show you guys my wedding dress and stuff. But yeah, guys, hope you guys have a great day. Bye.